you'd like to learn how to make cake flour right at home, keep watching. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. If you are new here, please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell to make sure you don't miss any future recipes, tutorials, or even videos. Today what I want to show you how to do is to make cake flour right at home using all-purpose flour and cornstarch. I use the generic brand cornstarch, but you're more than welcome to use the preference you're more than welcome to use the brand preference of your choice. So let's begin. What we're going to do is pour in our cup of all-purpose flour, and this has been leveled off. You do want to always measure the correct way by spooning in the flour into your measuring cup. You don't want to overfill with flour, if you will, by spooning it in yourself. Okay, so in goes the 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now what we're going to do is grab 2 tablespoons of that flour, level it off, and add it right back into the container, because what we're going to do is replace it with that cornstarch. The reason why you want to use a cake flour instead is to get a much lighter cake. Alright, so there goes in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So in goes the other. Now what we're going to do is sift this at least 4 times. So 4 to 6 times is the desired sifting ratio to get this all incorporated. So let's get started. Now most cake recipes do consist of adding more cake flour than just the 1 cup, so you can always just double it up. You're going in again to sift it some more. One piece of advice to get a much moist is to add in either at least 1/4 of sour cream to any cake recipe you have, or you can also use plain yogurt. That does the trick too. Okay. So after this, we're just going to sift twice more, and that should be good to go. Now with this cake flour, I'm going to be using it to make a birthday cake. It's like a Monster Jam theme birthday cake. So I'll begin on that tomorrow. I'll be sure to post that video of the way that I'm going to decorate it myself. Okay. 1 last sift, and we'll be all set to go. And there you have it. That is our cake flour. Much cost effective to make it right at home. And you'll see a noticeable difference in your next cake. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And comment down below what other videos or recipes you'd like to see in the future. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.